Sa mga na-attendan ko na financial workshop was with Randall Kyongson, a great guy about finance. And sabi niya, money is made in the waiting. Ganito talaga sa pag-i-invest. It will take time to grow. Parang mangga. It will bear fruit 2-3 years. Hindi siya parang munggo na kinabukasan tubo na. The surest way to grow your money in investing is consistently investing. And it will grow over time. Huwag kang mainip. Parang sa farmer. Merong planting, merong growing, and harvesting. So, ganun din sa investing and yung growing yung pinakamatagal. It requires your patience. Let me tell you my story. 7 years ako nag-invest. Nag-invest pa rin ngayon. Single pa ko noon. And 4 years after, within that 7 years, I was able to use my investment fund for a wedding. So, if you want to know more about financial matters and investing, just let me know para mag-guide kita.